What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today another decent day-ish. But before I start, I just want to show you guys how much are we looking at on the challenge. So right there we have our withdrawal request. Now don't count that and don't count that because this was way before. So let's start right there. So we're at, let me just pull up my calculator. So 780 plus 2,302 plus 882 plus 3763. All of this is in USD. 3763 plus 4080 plus 1388 equal, we're looking, I don't know if you guys can see this, we're looking at 13,195. So here's the proof on take profit. If you guys want to check this, I guess history too. All right. Now 13,195 USD to CAD. All right, what is this? Give me a second. USD to CAD. 13,195. So we're looking at 18K and 273, right? But today we made another 340 and 315. So let's go count this up. 315 multiplied by 4, 1.2 plus 340 equal minus the fees 1280, 1280, and that's another 1.7. So 18, what was it? 18,270 plus 1,777 and bang. So the challenge is complete. The challenge is officially completed today. Round of applause. Anyway, so today we are Tuesday, September 23, day 14. So the challenge got completed day 14. 20K in payout. Beautiful. So with today's payout, which I'll show you guys tomorrow, like always, I'll be requesting this and showing you guys tomorrow. Now, this week, so yesterday, Monday, and today, I've been slacking a little bit on the chart. I will be honest. And by slacking, I mean I'm not 100% disciplined. Why? Well, I already got a lot of payouts, and I'm not reckless. I'm just not, have that hunger, But now that we officially completed the challenge, I'll log back in and restart doing those good days. By good days, meaning our P&L on one account is at least 500 or more, 500 to 1K. Anyway, for example, this week, yesterday I took 2 trades, one L with no setup, and then the other one with a setup, but like 3 minutes after macro. And today I took one setup. I took 2 trades, but the first setup, I went break even way too fast, so I got stopped out. And you know what my rule is. I enter the trade, either I win or lose, right? So the trade played out, but I was break even. Price retested my entry. And then I took another trade, which I had to close early and ended up with this amount. Now, this amount is still beautiful. I mean, that's another 1.7K straight in my bank account, right? So grateful. Okay, let's remove this. And we're at 84 subscribers, so Thank you guys. All right. And here, if you guys want more proof, I can show you guys the payout. I already shows you guys, but here, I don't know if we can see, sorry guys. And this is the one that I received today from Monday. And then today we'll request, I'll take another screenshot. All right, let's start. So I'll show you guys the good trade, and then I'll show you guys what I took, like always. So let's start. We had Asia low and London low right there. So I'll remove this, but keep in mind that we have two zones next to each other. Then we had right there, previous day high and session high here. What else can I see? Well, I can see from yesterday we created this 1 hour fair value gap that at some point needs to get filled, right? Beautiful. What else? This one, beautiful. And this one, which is inside of those zones. So we don't mark it for now. Perfect. So as of right now, we know that price at some point, it can keep going, but at some point, price needs to come fill in these fair value gap, right? So as of right now, I'm looking bearish. Let's go on the 15 minutes, see if we can adjust our zones to get more specific, you know. What is this? All right. Here, I don't see anything, but I can see this one right there. Here, let me just go in replay actually. Beautiful. Okay, so we have this one. Let's go on the 5 minute. Okay, we can leave this like that. What else can I see? All right, I can see this one right there. And here we can adjust it actually. So bang, bang. All right. So now the higher time frame for value gaps are put up like that. Perfect. So now we just start. Let's go to 940. Perfect. So, all right. So what can I see already? Well, market open, we didn't sweep any higher time frame. So market open, we didn't sweep any external highs. We just been dumping. Now our London low / Asia high got disrespected. We ran through it. Perfect. So as of right now, we are aligned with my bias, which was bearish. Why? Well, this zone got disrespected and we are in a continuation to the downside. What else can I see? We created this 1 minute for value gap, this 1 minute for value gap. So we just mark it for now. This line we can remove or you can just leave it. Perfect. $44, $45. So, right there, let me remove this for now. So what can we see? Price came into this fair value gap and this fair value gap, and this is where the optimal trade was, right there. Now whether you took it right there or right there, stop loss, to be honest, should been just above this line. So most likely right there. So I'll show you guys the trade that I took. I personally didn't enter right there. I waited for this fair value gap to fill, which got filled at 946 exactly. This is where I entered, and then price went down. Price went down again right there. So when it was right there, I was like, all right, soon we're gonna come take this sell side, and at the same time I wanted to is gonna get hit, right? Now the only reason I went break even is, as guys seen before I remove it, we had a fair value gap right there. So I wasn't sure exactly what's gonna happen, so I just went bang break even and waited. But I just ended up getting stopped out. Now if I left it, I would have got full TP. As simple as that. Bang, we went down, got my TP. So this is just me being, you know, a little bit, I'm not gonna say, you know guys, when I enter the trade, I just leave it, either full TP or stop loss. So here I made a mistake, but it's not really a mistake, it's just because I don't really care in a way, right, anymore. But from now on, I need to start putting back the pressure and, you know, making a new goal, right? So we hit this 20K. Now the month is, we have maybe 1 week left or something. But anyway, I'm gonna put back the work in and start actually getting some nice profit again. But anyway, here I got stopped out, and then what? Well, I seen that, so first of all, I was waiting because we had news at 10. So I was waiting after 10, right there. Right there, we had another 1 minute for value gap, and we're still holding this, and it's aligned with our context, right? So from there, I waited. So 10 right there, what is it? 10 right there. 10:01, we are respecting this fair value gap. 10:02, I enter. Now I had 50 ticks for 100 ticks, so like that. And this is where I closed. Like, I didn't even wait, to be honest. I seen that price was holding this fair value gap really well. I closed right there for a profit of 300. Mind you, I was risking 500, so I only needed like something like that to even make 300. So yeah, that was the trade for today. What did I learn? Stop messing around, that's first of all. When I enter a trade, don't touch anything. Either you win or lose. Then I took another trade, which is, it was okay, but you know, I closed my position early. I don't remember if it actually played out later. No, it went straight to stop loss. We were just ranging, yeah. So I guess I got lucky here, but yeah. I seen that we were respecting this fair value gap and I just closed, honestly. So, once I missed the optimal trade, or I closed my position for the optimal trade, which was here, that's it, I'm done for the day. So let's get back on those. So let's get back being disciplined on the chart. I've been just slacking off, like I said, since I made a lot of profit. I've just been taking it a little bit more easy. But I'm still on a 5, 6, 7 win streak, technically. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And like I said, I'm back, I'm locked in. I'll be risking 500 for 1K 2 times, and so let's say I take 2 L's. Now I have 500 left, I'll risk 250, 250. So 4 consecutive L's and the whole accounts are blown, right? Which is perfect. So yeah, that's all I had to say. Again, challenge is completed. And yeah, see you guys.